Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to switch to a professional Instagram account if you are using currently a personal Instagram account. So if you want to use all the features of professional Instagram accounts, so for instance running Facebook ads, getting more insights about your Instagram account, like how much reach your posts get, what is the average age and gender of your followers and stuff like that, then here's how to switch to a professional Instagram account. So first open up your Instagram profile. Then click on the three lines here, then select settings, then tap on the account tab here, then scroll down to the bottom, and as you can see you can switch to professional account here. Click on this one, and Instagram explains here what you will get with a professional account. So click on, tap on continue, 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 and then as a professional account you also have to select an Instagram business category. So let's say I'm a blogger, and click on done. And as you can read here, it can take up to 30 seconds to finish creating your professional Instagram account. So wait a couple of seconds. Now our Instagram professional account is created, and we have to choose whether we want to have a creator professional account or a business professional Instagram account. So as you can read here, creators account is best for public figures, content producers, artists and influencers, and business accounts are best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organization and service providers. So let's say we want to select business here and click on next. Choose whether you want to get promotional emails from Instagram. We turn this off now and click on next. And we can also add our contact info, so people can contact our business via our Instagram account very easily. Or you can also select not to use your contact info. Then you can also connect your Facebook page with this Instagram business account, and then you're going to be able to cross-post from your Instagram account to a Facebook page, or cross-post from the Facebook page to an Instagram account. So this is very useful. Then tap on next. And now as you can see, we have been switched to the professional account. We can check out the professional dashboard here, or add a shop to our Instagram account, or start running Instagram ads to our profile. So this is how to switch to a professional Instagram account.